Our next option is floating cart. If you enable the sticky cart from here and click Save Changes, then in our shop page, you will see a floating cart here. So from our plugin dashboard, we can change its position. So let's change its top position 50% to 20% and left position from 100% to 90%. And you can also change the button style from here. Let's change the background color. We can also change the text and hover background color, hover text color, and also change the border radius. So click Save Changes. Now visit the shop page and reload the page. And here is our floating code. That's how it works.